Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how you can embed videos like instructional or educational videos for your team members on ClickUp, for example, in your tasks or items and to-do list to provide your team members and coworkers with instructions and helpful tips, for example, from external video sharing platforms. So let us show you how to embed these videos in your tasks. It is actually very simple. Head over to your workspace on ClickUp and select the task you would like to customize. So let me go, for example, with task number 1 here. Click on it to access its customization setup. So what you want to do here, guys, is click on that button here to the right, plus more. And what you want to do after that is simply paste the URL of the video, like for example from YouTube or from Vimeo, you would like to embed here in your task, in your description, add to this task here. So you may do that by simply right clicking on it, by selecting paste, and that is going to embed the given video here. You may assign, for example, a custom title, description, and confirm by clicking on add link here so that the given media will be then discoverable by your team members in that task so that they may, for example, source value and information from it. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.